Naya, come mama, come on, come on. Okay, come on. Gonna crawl. 10 months is October 3rd. Are you too excited? Come on. Come on, honey.
She wants you.
She was just crawling. Okay, there she goes. No. Come, mama. Come over here. Okay, well, you see she's sneaking away. Come on. Look, here, Bubba.
What's that?
Just a piece of paper. Here we go. Here she comes. Okay, she's gonna take a break. Naya. Runky. Here we go. Here you go. Here she comes. She's enticed by pieces of paper. Here she comes.
She's gonna pick
Here
mine.
comes a little bit of a loop, but here she comes. Ah, good crawling.
She picked mine.
Oh, was that feather? Okay, well, we don't want her to play with that, so yay! Clap your hands. Yay! Thank you. Yay! Maybe she'll clap. Here. Okay, no, don't leave this out for her now. Let's put it here. But yay! I want her to clap. Here she comes. She's crawling.
I told you she did. I told you she
Clap for her.
crawled.
Yay! All right.